Hey guys, working on my ranch king here. As you can see, here's the old voltmeter. Here's the new one. The reason why I want to replace this is because this one is getting all faded out and the needle's bent. And this one's a lot less faded out. And the needle is just probably 5% bent, but nothing like this one. So that's what I'm going to do. Disconnect the negative terminal. Just in case something decides to arc out, that'll cause a fire. So, let me find a wrong one. There we go. Find a good enough, or the right size for the battery. My dad's working on the 05 blue truck. Working on that exhaust pipe. I need it. I just need to find the right size. There's just mostly flathead in here. Let me see this. Try this one. I doubt it'll work, but we'll see. Never mind, it'll work just fine. There we go. Make sure we got no power to the ranch king. Oh, that's beautiful. There we go. No power to it, which is good. Next thing, need to figure out how these wires are on this voltmeter. You know what? I'll let this thing loose. Hope that'll stay. Good. Figured it out. Just put these. Alright, got her out already. I don't know how these wires give it a connection. There it is. Here's the old one. See if I can get this new one in. Alright, that'll stay. So, well, let's see, these are the same, which oh yeah, they're the same. That's sweet. Well, the one for the yard man was made in Cleveland, Ohio. And this one don't say anything. So. I have no idea if I can get this thing in here. don't know how the heck they do this. Clipped in there just right. Okay, there we go. That's perfect. These things are freaking how in the world do they design this? Well, I got the voltmeter in though. Well, I'm going to end the video because I got her in. So, that's all I care about. It's in. And I don't have any more bent needle.
All I care about is healthy food in the morning.
So, out with the old, in with the new. That was simple.